Hello everyone and welcome to this new video. After the theory comes the practice. Now I'm going to give you an exercise to do. We have previously seen how to display things to the output window. Now I would like you to display "Good morning, the weather is very nice today" in an output window on the same line but twice. Let me explain. Basically, "Good morning" and "the weather is very nice today" will not be in the same function, but in the output window, "Good morning, the weather is very nice today" should be displayed on the same line with no line breaks between "Good morning" and "the weather is very nice today." Then you will have to display below this sentence, "Indeed, it's a good weather to play sports" on the next row. This is what you have to do. Pause the video so we can correct it together shortly. So here we go. On your marks, get set, go! Okay, now let's see together the correction of this exercise. I hope you succeeded. The purpose was to display "Good morning, the weather is very nice today" on the same line but using two different functions. In the previous video, remember that I mentioned two functions to be able to do this. First, console.WriteLine allows you to display what you passed as a parameter and return to the next row at the end in an output window. What is passed in the brackets is called a parameter. Indeed, it is important to remember this notion because we will use it later on. Moreover, there is also another function that doesn't need any line break. When we display something, and if we display a sentence afterwards, it will be superimposed on the one we displayed just before this one. And this function is console.write. First, you had to type console.write "good morning" in brackets and quotation marks, "good mornings," comma and space. Add a semicolon at the end. Then return to the next row and type console.WriteLine "the weather is very nice today" with a semicolon at the end. And if you click on the play button, you can see that "Good morning, the weather is very nice today" is displayed on the same line with two different functions. There are some indications of the code important to know. You can see here that I added a white space after the comma. Indeed, if I do not put a space, the program will display the sentences directly one over the other. I will remove the white space and press on the button play. What do you see? Indeed, there is two sentences. A computer performs the task it is asked to do without thinking. It can't append two strings and then put the space automatically. That's why you need to be careful not to forget the spaces when you make programs with strings and append them with other strings. Then here I did not type console.write, but I rather typed console.WriteLine in order to anticipate the second instructions, which was to display on the line, "Indeed, it's a good weather to play sports." So to continue, I can use one of the two functions. I'll write console.WriteLine, "Indeed, it's a good weather to play sports." And make sure not to forget the semicolon at the end. Then I click on the play button and the output window shows, "Indeed, it's a good weather to play sports." We are done with this exercise. I hope that you have succeeded and enjoyed this video.